Welcome back to Curvy Model. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving deep into the transformative world of yoga, exploring how consistent yoga practice can profoundly change your body, mind, and soul. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an advanced practitioner, yoga has something valuable to offer everyone. So, what exactly is yoga and why has it become such a global phenomenon? Originating from ancient India, yoga is a holistic practice that seamlessly combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. It's not just a form of exercise, it's a comprehensive way to bring balance, calm, and strength into your life. One of the most recognized benefits of yoga is its significant impact on physical health. Practicing yoga regularly can improve flexibility, build muscle strength, and enhance overall balance. For example, poses like downward dog help stretch your spine, improve circulation, and relieve tension in your back and shoulders, while warrior poses are excellent for strengthening your legs, core, and improving your posture. And over time, with consistent practice, you'll notice increased stamina, greater mobility, and a more toned physique. But yoga isn't just about physical benefits. It's also amazing for mental clarity and reducing stress. When we practice controlled breathing and mindful movements, our nervous system naturally calms down, which can significantly reduce anxiety, improve focus, and enhance overall mental well-being. Studies have shown that yoga can lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, leading to a more relaxed and peaceful state of mind. So practicing yoga regularly is like giving your mind a mini vacation, allowing you to recharge and rejuvenate. Beyond the physical and mental benefits, yoga can also support emotional and spiritual growth. Through mindfulness and meditation, yoga encourages self-reflection, compassion, and a deeper connection with oneself. You might find yourself becoming more patient, resilient, and better equipped to cope with life's ups and downs. This is one reason why yoga has such a strong and supportive community around it. The journey can be truly transformative and shared with others. If you're interested in starting yoga, begin with beginner classes or online videos that guide you through the basics. You don't need fancy equipment, just a mat, comfortable clothes, and an open mind. Try setting aside a few minutes each day to practice, and remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Celebrate your small victories and enjoy the journey. Yoga is a journey that offers countless benefits, whether you're looking to build strength, reduce stress, or simply find peace of mind and inner harmony. We hope this video has inspired you to give yoga a try and experience its transformative power. Let us know in the comments if you're a yoga beginner or a seasoned yogi, and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.